It's a frosty old morning today, cold and frosty, very low sun. Nice wintry March morning. And this old sod is going to have some new boots. Front and back, new boots, whiz up to Norwich. Get them done, it's about 6:30 at the moment, 25 to 7. Get up there nice and early, coffee while I'm waiting. These are the Michelin Pilot Road on here. These are the Pilot Road 1. The new version, Pilot Road 4, will be going on. Down to about 2 mil there. 1.5 in places, which is legal but low. I've got the MOT next week, so new boots. Get them scrubbed in for a couple of days this weekend. Bob's your uncle. There's some frost on that church roof over there. Look, oh, there's a church there. Look for old Suffolk Andy. He likes churches. Well, it's a new one. It's not a nice old one. You probably won't like it at all. But it is just after 6:30 in the morning, and my neighbour is asleep behind that window there. So I shall push my bike out and up the road a little bit to tick it over, warm it up, and I'll wake up everybody. I'll do it here, I don't want to wake up strangers. Okay, it's not a start now. Silly thing. And here comes the rain. So, new boots, I've got to scrub in. Not ideal in the rain. So I've just been warned about my ride home and how slow it needs to be. Which is nice, but never mind. I took it steady on the way in. I can take it even steadier on the way back. And as it's only 8:15, can have a McMuffin on the way home. Can we not? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So, I have to remember my way home now. I haven't got a clue where I am in the world. Look how shiny all this lot is. Shiny roads on shiny tyres? I don't think so. It's raining hard, slow and steady wins the race. Brand new tyres that are not scrubbing in this wet either, so I've still got 100 dry miles to do to scrub them in before you can start using them rather severely. Plenty of time for that though. Plenty of time for that, it's only March. To be honest, I don't feel as bad as the guy said they might do. He said they might feel ice, like you're on ice. Brand new tyres in the wet. He told me to go very carefully away from his garage. He didn't want me to fall off outside and say, "Here, this is your fault." He gave me all the warnings he could. Gave me my receipt and said, "Naff off and be careful." Fair play to him. That's what you have to do, isn't it? But I don't feel that bad at all, actually. I've never had new never had new tyres both at once before, and this is the wettest I've ever ridden, to be honest. So a mixture of the two, a brand new tyre on the wet road, is a first for me. It's all good fun, keep me on my toes, point me towards danger, I'm ready. So Mr. Richard, who says I don't ride in wet weather, and said the technology of the Michelin Road 4 tyre is wasted on me. Well, poke this. You old git. And another thing, my waterproof jacket is not waterproof. Bastards. Oh, all the stuff in my pockets are wet. And that's not good. My phone was wet. Spare batteries for the GoPro are wet. Just unbelievable, the standard of nonsense they sell you in shops. Wet weather gear with full, you know, full motorcycle wets, and they can't even keep the pockets dry. Just probably made by tiny Asian hands. Unbelievable.